If you eat broccoli every day, what happens to your body? Broccoli is not only delicious, but also rich in nutrients. Broccoli contains a variety of antioxidants, which act like the body's bodyguards to help fight free radicals, slow the rate of cell aging, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Broccoli is low in calories and high in fiber, and it tastes full and is very suitable for people who lose weight. In addition, it also contains a lot of water, which helps to eliminate toxins in the body and promote metabolism. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, K, A, B6, folate, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals. It is also rich in dietary fiber. These nutrients are essential to the body and support its proper functioning. The fiber and antioxidants in broccoli can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of diabetes. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in broccoli can help the skin fight free radicals, reduce wrinkles and signs of aging, and make skin healthier and glowing. If you eat an egg every day, this is what happens to your body. One large egg contains 6 grams of protein, iron, vitamins A, D, E, B6, B12, folate, selenium, and choline. The proteins in eggs are complete proteins. This means that it contains all 9 essential amino acids required for the human diet. The high-quality protein in eggs is very important for maintaining and repairing muscle tissue and is especially suitable for athletes and the elderly to help maintain muscle mass and strength. Eggs are rich in protein and feel full, helping to control appetite, reduce calorie intake, and help with weight management. In addition, eggs are relatively low in calories and can be part of a healthy weight loss diet. Support brain function. Choline is not only beneficial for liver health, it is also essential for the maintenance of brain function and memory. It is one of the components that make up cell membranes and is involved in the production of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which helps improve cognitive function and memory. Follow me to learn more health knowledge. Subscribe and like for more health tips.